Hey crypto enthusiast! Welcome to IceRiver ALEO. Today's video is something special. We are unveiling something that could be biggest change in home crypto mining for years. The highly expected ALEO AE0. Trust me, you are going to want to see what this little machine can do. Let's dive right in. The first thing that strikes you about ALEO AE0 is thoughtful packaging. Everything you need is right here. The main unit and the power supply, all protected, custom fitted phone. Notice how compact this unit is. IceRiver designed this unit with home mining in mind. The IceRiver ALEO AE0 isn't just another ASIC miner. It's carefully crafted piece of technology that's about to revolutionize home mining. Let me break down why is this machine so special. First, we are looking on incredible power of 50 megahash per second. But there is kicker. It draws only 100 watts of power. Think about that for a second. This level of efficiency is unprecedented in home mining setup. At its heart, ALEO AE0 runs on ZK-SNAR, sophisticated algorithm specifically engineered for ALEO mining. What does it mean for you? It means you are not getting just powerful technology. That means you are getting cutting-edge technology at fingers of your hands. That's not just powerful, but future-proofed for future of crypto mining. Try to write us in the comments how long this miner will be profitable. Right now it's about 40 USD a day. This little thing makes 40 USD a day, but guess how long it will go on in this rate. Hey, and little hint, you can check the profitability on asicprofit.com. And here is second kicker, the official IceRiver mining pool. We've crafted something special for you. Incredibly competitive 0.45% mining fee. A stunning intuitive dashboard, which puts everything under your fingertips. Step-by-step setup guide that lets you start mining in minutes instead of hours. Listen, I've seen a lot of mining equipment come and go, but I believe ALEO AE0 is different. It's not just about impressive specs and power. It's about bringing industry-grade mining capabilities into your home setup. Head over to IceRiver ALEO to secure our pre-order. But I have to warn you, the amount of pre-order is limited. And the units are in extremely high demand. Production time for this miner is set to March 2025. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. And if you have something you would like to know about ALEO or something crypto, drop us a line in comments. Till next time, keep on mining!